Today I'm gonna be making a full course Taiwanese food. On the menu we're gonna have some soup, some one pot rice, and some stir fry vegetables. Some Taiwanese hot dogs, some pop chow, some garlics. First thing first, we're gonna make some miso soup as well. With some meatball inside of that. Okay, that's enough. When you're cooking Asian soup, first thing you do, you get the water to boiling temperature, then you add your stuff. Alright, water is on, add a little bit of salt. Right. Then, in the meantime, while the water is being boiled, I'm gonna prepare the rest of the stuff, the ingredients that I need. First thing first, some radish for the soup. We don't need a lot though, like maybe a quarter. Yeah, that is good enough. That to this. Then we're gonna peel this radish now. One thing with these, you need to peel the skin very thick, because if you don't peel it very thick, it's gonna be bitter. Doesn't matter how long you cook it for, it's gonna be bitter if you didn't peel the skin thick. Like you need to maybe peel like 2 to 3 layers off of that. Yeah, like about this thick. Food waste aside. Time to cry now. Ooh, where are you going? Alright, nice. Seems like my knife is not sharp enough. I need to sharpen this knife. Whoa, where are you guys going? That's good though. Need to sharpen the knife. Alright. Also with this kind of rice, the stem and the leaves goes different, because the leaves you put inside after you finish cooking. And just cover the rice cooker for it to steam for a few moments, like for maybe 5 to 10 minutes or so. So we're gonna separate those as well. We're not gonna put those together. Are you here for cooking class?
Huh?
Are you here for cooking class?
这是不要，是不是？
不要了。干嘛？拿一下。 That's when you have an Asian wife, she's teaching you. It's always good to learn something new. Ever since I learned to cook Asian food, trust me, you're never out of like different stuff to cook. There's so much different recipes, which is made so simple but has some techniques to it. This is the scallion that goes in the soup, the last thing, so just gonna cut that as well. These we're gonna cut them very small. And please remember, subscribe to my channel. Leave a like, leave a comment. Help my channel grow. Alright, that is it. One thing, you know, as a Jamaican, you know, when you learn to cook Asian food, and I tell you guys, we all know that Jamaican food is very nice. But when you learn, when you have a combination of Jamaican food and Asian food, I tell you, man, that's something. It's a combination where most time is 360. When you incorporate them into one, it's amazing. Yeah. Good thing is it's good to always be a sponge for knowledge. That's about that now. So this is good. This onion is, the scallion is good for the soup, right? I want more.
That's enough.
Okay, this is enough. Alright, that's good. Chicken stock. Alright, put this to the side. This goes to the soup here. This is for this as well. That's for there. Alright. What's next to do? Clean up. So this is the miso soybean paste, which is gonna give the soup a blend. That's boiling. Oh, one more thing I forgot. I didn't have the meatballs inside. These are some homemade meatballs. I actually have a video too with the meatballs making it. It's right here. Yeah, I was supposed to post that video a while back, but I found another device. Totally forgot. That should be fine. That's enough meatball. Clam inside there as well. Alright, that's good as well. We have some clam inside, some meatball inside. Cover the pot. Let them add a little bit of oil to this pot. Let it cook. As soon as it's like a bit hot, I'm gonna stir fry the hot dog first. The sausage. Okay, the soup is going on fine. We're getting somewhere there. I know you'd be saying the soup doesn't have any color, but one thing with Asian soup, a lot of them don't have any color, but they're super delicious. But for the color, it's gonna be brown color. This is gonna give it the color. You can see right here. If you guys have never tried it before, I implore you, please do so. It's very nice. With this soup, you just boil some water, add some meat or stuff inside that you like. Very nice. See, they have an instruction how to do it. See? Oh, talking about bonito flakes. Where is it? This goes very well with miso soup as well. But I'm not sure if this is what they call bonito flakes, but this is like some dried fish. And man, see, skipjack flakes. Very nice inside. This is like a dried fish. Oh yeah, you can always smell that. Man, I tell you, Asian food is so unique and tasty. we're not gonna have that inside today because we have so many stuff already there. Let me take this off the stove before it melts. Right, good temperature. This is here. Put that here. That. So here's all this. This is the last thing. I don't even need to put that here. This can stay next to the rice cooker because this is gonna go in the rice cooker after everything is finished. Son, teach them. Learn to wash, cook, and clean. Can't go wrong with that. Alright, that's good enough, no? Yeah. Alright. So I'm gonna fry these until they're like brown texture. Oh my god, that smell is so nice. These sausages are different. Hot dog sausages are different from ours that we're used to. Asian sausages are like, this is a garlic flavor as well. I can't even explain the taste because there's no comparison between this one and our sausages. But if you like to try new things, try new food, you can try it. Just get some Taiwanese sausage in a local Asian store or anywhere. The scent is so nice. I think when they made this, they had a little bit of cooking wine inside. In some of them. Some of them are stronger than some. But it's nothing like our sausage that we're used to. They call it what? Shangtang. Yeah, Shangtang. That's what they call it, Shangtang in Mandarin. Then we're gonna add the garlic. Get out of there. What are you doing? Yeah. I'm gonna add these inside now. These are the stock from the pap chow. As soon as these are a bit soft, I'm gonna add the rice inside to get all the flavor in the rice. You can put it in the pot and put it in the rice cooker straight away, but I'm gonna add it inside like you're just like basically stir frying the rice a little bit like when you're making a risotto, but we're not making that. Just a reference. Oh, there's some onion, there's some garlic inside here. Yeah. Huh?
What are you separating?
No, it's Thai shoulder. No, I mean this was small. The container was small.
可以的啦，有味道就可以加进去。
我知道啊。
再多吃点蛋。Let's fry the rest of it.
Ooh, this smells so good, Tina.
Can be any kind of sausage, even a salty pork.
Yeah, salty pork, Tina. Yeah, in Taiwan they have a salty pork. Just like we have corn pork in Jamaica, they have a salty pork there. But it's not really, I wouldn't say it's corn pork. Not that strong, but it's nice as well, man, I tell you. Just getting their flavor and everything. Oh, wow. Seems like I want to toss my share out. Alright, let's get this in there. The pot is very wide, so if I lift it up, it's probably gonna spill out. And I don't want that, so just take our time and get it all inside there. Maybe when it's a little, I can lift it up. Right now. Alright. Slowly but surely. Get in there. I mean, see there? Ladies, if you have no man and he can't cook food, no, run away. Then if you go learn to cook, joke my mate, don't do that. Because everybody makes for different purposes. Everybody's different. But then say 7 brother, 7 different mind, right? Get to work. Yeah, wash the can out. Okay, this is good, you know. More time I sit there and work good, you know. Prevention better than cure again. Got 2 holes inside it. Good, that is it. Open them. Even though it should be like this to open it, but this thing sometimes like you want to break off. I'm not sure why. Alright, let's measure up this thing now. Let me tell you, Asian food is all about the technique. Alright, that's 1 cup there. That's 2 cup there. And that's a half more cup. What this them having now? Let's see now. Let's see where we're at. Because there's actually gonna be some water from the vegetables as well. That's good enough. Just add a little bit more in the rice cooker. Alright. There you go. Time for the magic to happen now. Boy, God bless the day when they make rice cooker and show everything gets so easy. All rice and peas, me cook in a rice cooker, man. Alright. So we're also gonna have some stir-fried bean sprout on the menu as well, with some mushrooms, some onions, and some garlic and some carrots. Alright, the aroma is coming out from the garlics. Yeah? You want banana? Yeah. Okay, sit on your chair. I'll give it to you soon, okay? Alright, put that there, so. Give me 1 moment. Add some carrot inside now. Soup is good now. There. Yeah, I'm gonna add 1 first. No, I'm cooking the soup, miso soup. Let's move this to the front. Alright, that's gonna dissolve in a few moments. Let's cover that and leave it. Oh, this is still wet. Let it stay right there. What's going on over here now? This is good now. Time to add the bean sprouts. Gonna add a little bit salt. A little bit salt, a little bit white pepper. Hu chow. No, that's black. Hu chow is black pepper. What am I talking about? Pai hu chow. Should be. Okay, that's good enough. there for a little bit, 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, let's see what's going on with the miso soup now. The miso is not fully dissolved as yet. What is getting there? You can see the color changing to a brown color. I'm gonna test the soup to see what it tastes like, what's going on there. Then I'll know if I need to add more or if it's good. Let's see. Little. Alright, that's gonna need some more. Has a nice scent as well. So this is the components of the soup. You can see the meatball, the clam, the mushroom, the radish, and the onions. That's good. Yeah, she's Asian style soup. So this is miso soup with meatball, mushroom, clams, onion.
Right, 对啊，我加一点点呢，它的加那个味道。嗯，好喝啊！我有加创。Scallion. Man, you can only smell that. Wow. That's amazing. That is amazing. Alright, that's perfect now. There. There you have it. It's bean sprouts stir fried with the king oyster mushroom, carrots, onions. Voila. Ooh, the rice is finished. Let's add the... Yeah, that's what I'm gonna add inside. Gonna add these inside for like 5 to 10 minutes. Then we're gonna mix it together, because if you cook these with the rice, you're gonna be like having the rice being all, it's gonna cook so much, the chlorophyll is gonna leave the leaves and it's gonna be yellow. You don't want that. See, this is the color. See, if you cook it, it's gonna be like this color if you cook it with the rice. I don't know if you guys can see that color, but it's gonna be like that color. That's gonna be yucky. Alright, we'll wash these afterwards. Put these aside. The last dish of the day, which is gonna be shrimp cake, but we're gonna use rice paper. Let's take off that. Okay. Okay, that's too small. That's not gonna work. all of that shrimp paste out. Gonna spread it all over here. Take out one more in the meantime, so I'm gonna use my hand to spread it. Sometimes the hand work out better than utensils. Not going all the way to the edge. I'm just gonna put it on like this. Meet one edge here. Meet the other one here. Is the oil hot enough? Let's see. Get some more heat under there. See? Perfect. There we have it. See, shrimp pancake made with rice paper. Let's cover that. That is it. Moment of truth now. Whoa. Alright, those should be steamed now. Just gonna mix everything together. Add a little bit of soybean sauce inside as well. Dinner is ready. Dinner is ready.
That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Until next time. Peace out.
Wait, I need to talk something funny.
What are you gonna say funny?
Please subscribe my channel.